Everything that is not of God in your life. Okay. I don't want to know where it came from. I come in the name of Jesus. You don't want to use this door, you can use it with